welcome back to My News 2. The Gullah culture has a wide influence here in the Low Country, from our words to our food. The Gullah Geechee Fishing Association was formed to bring Gullah Geechee fishing families together all the way from North Carolina to Florida to keep the traditions alive and protect our waterways. The members want to preserve and pass on the traditions to the next generation. So joining us now, we have Miss Queen Quet, Chiefess of the Gullah Geechee National Association, as well as we've got Ricky Wright, who we're going to see in a little bit, doing a demonstration for us. The Gullah Geechee, do you feel that over time, we have so much technology and we're always evolving in society, do you feel that over time some of the traditions are being lost too quickly?
Yes, and we would always say, well, I'll go back to old landmark. So our elders would tell us you have to go back to those traditional things that you left sometimes. And so the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association gives folks a chance here in the Gullah Geechee Nation to do just that.
What do you think is so important about preserving our history and our culture?
Well, actually, for me, it's more about continuing our history and culture than preserving it. Because preserving it, we put it in a jar, we eat it, then it's gone. But continuing it, keeping it alive, means that it'll be here for generations to come. And the people coming behind us will have an appreciation and respect for this land and our way of life.
Of course, Charleston has so much history with so many different, the earthquake and the fire and all of the different plantations that we have around here. Do you feel that people do appreciate those visitors when they come in, that they do get to learn a little bit about the Gullah Geechee culture when they're here?
Very rarely, because most times when they come now, the people are cracky teeth like this and things like that, because the rest of them don't understand what we're talking about, right? So if they don't hear our language, then they don't know that there is Gullah Geechee culture a lot of times. So there's these unique opportunities that we try to get a way to draw them in, literally, so that they can learn just who we are down here.
I love that. Now, I know one of the things that I always get a crack out of is the word goober is actually a Gullah Geechee word, and it means peanut, right?
Exactly.
Peanut. So when we call someone a goober, we're really calling them a peanut.
A peanut, right, or a peanut head.
Yeah. Well, you guys have a great seafood festival coming up, so tell us about that, because this is all, again, to help sort of preserve the culture that we have.
Exactly. We have the first annual Gullah Geechee Seafood Festival, which is coming up Saturday, October the 30th, from noon until on St. Helena Island, which is about 2 hours south of Mount Pleasant. So all gonna have to do, take Highway 17 down to 21 and come on to the island. And we're gonna have food, music, lots of family fun. There's gonna be shrimp, crab, oysters, red rice, peas and rice. So this is going to be the real thing for 100 children come down for something from the sea, you see.
Now, I got a couple of those words in there, right?
You got to leave it. Just leave it in it.
So now, admission for this, totally free, but if you want to get in all that good seafood, just $10 a plate.
$10 a plate, exactly.
And it's noon until, so that'll pretty much that'll be like dinner. It'll get you your lunch and your dinner.
And your dinner. There you go, and beyond. You can carry a plate home. We got covered plates, and we got plenty of foil, so you ain't got no problem there.
If there's one thing you would like people to learn that they don't already know about the Gullah Geechee culture, what would it be?
I would want people to know, as I always say, one of us take care of the root for heal the tree. And our language, our culture, our family is all part of that family tree, and it's always linked together, and the roots go very deep in our Sea Island soil. And I think if they did, they'll find.
Absolutely. So we want to help preserve the fishing culture here, and as you guys are casting your nets, we certainly appreciate you guys for being with us, and we were able to see some of that video and some of those crabs, which are going to be awesome. So we'll take a look at casting that net and see how Mr. Ricky Wright does that for us. Ricky Wright, take it away.
There you go.
Excellent. That is how it's done, Gullah Geechee style. You guys stay with us right here.
Party or break it up or nothing like that, but I just wanted to say great thanks to Capers Prep for coming all the way from Johns Island, so Skakalaki, you're in the Gullah Geechee Nation. All right, Y'all turn to doing the thing, man. Y'all warm up my floor good. The rest of y'all what left gonna have to warp this dance floor for me because they done warm them up nice. But y'all got to warp them up. And we want to thank everybody from James Island, Wymalaw, St. Helena, Burton, Bluffton, Broomfield, Ladies Island. All of y'all what out here, we California, New York, Jersey, all of y'all in the house, ATL in the house. Thank all of y'all. Appreciate it. If I ain't call your name, you ain't come spend no money at the table. That's why I know you from. All right. So yeah, very important that today our children are part of these types of activities and that we teach them the things that we learned growing up. They always told us, man is going to take on where money can. And so today, the voice. This is Tessa, the one and only from the Breakfast Club with Baby J. Give him some words, Sister Tessa.
Thank you. How y'all for do? All right, thank you so much for making us feel at home. And truly, from the minute the bus rolled onto the island within, I felt I belong here. And we want to thank Brother Kenneth, Brother Jonathan for taking us on a tour of all the historic sites. We went to Penn Center. I plan on coming back for their celebration in November just as a tourist myself, but we'll make sure that the people know about it as well. But for all of you who came out to support Queen Quet and the Gullah Geechee Nation, give yourselves a round of applause because you could be doing something else, but you're coming out here with your family, and that's what it's all about, to keep this heritage going. And I found out I can translate pretty good.
Yeah.
I was translating pretty good. So everybody enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you for making us feel like family, and we will be back.
All right. I ain't know that gal talk about it feel like family for when she the family with me. Okay. Don't make me get a switch on you, Tessa. Okay. So definitely got a lot of love for all of you. We want to thank all the media that helped us in advance to promote this event. A lot of you said you saw me on television. I have got to give it up for WCIV, WCBD, WCSC, Alphabet Soup, all in Charleston. Give it up for them. Charleston Post and Courier, the Island Packet. We thank all of you, of course, Earthwise Productions and their publication, and also the Conk from the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition. And all y'all who are Facebook fans, we thank you. If you're not a Facebook fan, get on your phone right now, look for Gullah Geechee Nation, and fan we hot. So fan we are hot.